Hi, my name is Travis, and I'm excited to share with you today a maker kit for mechanical keyboards that I've been working on for the last 6 months. This is the Build Your Own Keyboard, or BYO keyboard for short. With this kit, you get to decide how your keyboard works and what it looks like. I've used my keyboard to control my music for skipping songs, changing volume, and pausing. I've also used it for video calls to control my webcam, my microphone, and for toggling screen sharing. Here you can see just a few of the themes that you can select as part of this Kickstarter. There are even more to choose from in the photos down below. I want to share a little story about why I'm excited to bring you this Kickstarter today. A few years ago, before I knew about programming and electronics, I attended an introduction to soldering workshop at a local meetup. In that workshop, I got to learn how to take a handful of electrical components and convert them into a working circuit for reading the temperature, which I actually still have with me to this day. That workshop ignited a passion in me for electronics and programming that has lasted to this day. What I want to do with this Kickstarter is take that experience, bundle it up, and offer it and share it with you. You'll get to learn how to take a handful of components, combine them together, and make yourself a working mechanical keyboard. I look forward to joining you on your maker adventure. Good luck and happy making.